First off, I just want to thank everybody for the support they've shown my channel over the past year. I started out 2018 with around 700 subscribers, and the growth has been absolutely insane, and more than I ever could have imagined, to be honest. For Christmas, I wanted to make a full-length track for you guys, since I've had a lot of requests to do that. But I only have 2 days to make a beat, write, record, mix lyrics, edit the video, and upload it to YouTube. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that in time. But I'll do as much as I can and aim for a final track length between 2 and 3 minutes long at the very least. I'm in the mood for a hard trap banger, something melodically simple with a nice 808 pattern and hard drums. So let's just go with that feeling and let's get into the cook-up. I pulled up this patch in Omnisphere. We're going to lay down a simple melody in the key of D minor. I'll speed up the footage. Here's what I came up with. Next, I laid down a supporting melody with these bells in Omnisphere. I added a snare. I made this hat pattern. I laid down a crash. I made this kick pattern. I made this 808 pattern that just follows the kick. I added a perk. I laid down some sleigh bells for that festive element. And for another holiday-themed tie-in, I sampled this vocal from The Grinch.
You're a monster.
Here's what the drums sound like all together. A couple things I added last minute. First, I automated this saturator plugin on during the first portion of the beat to add some heavy distortion. Next, I automated the half-speed gross beat preset on at both the beginning and end of the beat to add a little bit of variation. Alright, let's see what we've come up with.